wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best kombucha starter kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If your plan is to save one batch as you make another, or if you want to serve the next family reunion in style, the Deluxe DIY provides 6 swing-top bottles that look great when set out on a picnic table and can be used again if the guests are pleased. It comes with multiple recipes and dried cranberry and chia seeds. However, the directions are confusing. At number 9, the fermentaholics culture comes with 12 full ounces of starter tea, which means you can make a big batch right away. The non-GMO scoby may also allow you to grow several more, so this simple kit can produce multiple flavors brewed concurrently. It includes detailed instructions and is made using green and black tea, but it takes a while to increase in size. Coming in at number 8 in our list. If you're a total novice, the buchi life has you covered. Not only is this an inexpensive choice, it also comes with an ebook to walk you through every step of your fermenting journey. You can save the culture to use later or brew continuously. It's double bagged to seal in the heat and includes a thick and healthy scoby. However, it doesn't include a brewing vessel. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for kombucha starter kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, this Standing Stone Farms may come only with the ingredients to make black tea, but it does provide a magnetic chart for the included pH strips, so you'll know what to look for when determining whether your first attempt is done or not. It includes reusable elastic bands and is free of preservatives, but it works best in smaller batches. Moving up our list to number 6. The Fermentaholics Complete makes sure you have everything you need by packing together a 1-gallon container along with the correct amount of starter tea, as well as a flavoring guide so you can experiment and find the brew that you like best. It features a thermometer that sticks to the jar and raw organic cane sugar. However, the culture is on the small side. Halfway up our list at number 5. The ingredients provided by Brindle Southern Farms are vacuum sealed to make sure there's no leaking before you're ready to use them. You'll be able to brew a full gallon with what's included, and there's also a wooden spoon that's a nice touch. It comes with a large 4-inch scoby, a comprehensive information pamphlet, and tasting straws to check if it's done. At number 4, if you're looking to get everything you could ask for in one box, the everbru deluxe is what you're after. It's got both a 1 3/4 gallon glass fermenting jar and a stainless steel carafe, so you can be serving your first batch as the culture's doing its magic on the second. It includes a metal tea ball that's easy to wash, 2 glasses with logos, a mini siphon and tubing. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Sometimes simpler is better, and this kitchentoolz scoby has everything you need, including a glass jar, which is an improvement over plastic options, not only because it's BPA free and won't leak toxins into the beverage, but also for the sake of flavor. It comes with a cotton cloth and a rubber band and half a cup of starter tea. It's less expensive than fancier kits. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for kombucha starter kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, you won't find a bigger scoby to start with than the one offered by Get Kombucha. This on-tap version includes a 2.5 gallon brewer and stand that dispenses your finished tea via a convenient spigot, which is great news for those who plan to go through a lot. It comes with specially formulated tea, and the brewing vessel is lead-free. You get access to online training videos too. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Kombucha shop can help you get started with its included 1-gallon glass jar, along with a guide full of tips on how to experiment using different flavors. There's also a deluxe version that contains 6 16-ounce bottles, so you can take some to the office. It's made with only organic ingredients and includes a reusable cotton tea bag, a temperature gauge, and a pipette straw. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for kombucha starter kits, or simply click beneath this video.